14 strange and curious signs that your heart is sick, weak, or even losing its life. I'll show you 7 signs and 7 symptoms of heart problems as your heart warns you when it's not functioning well. Ever thought that symptom you ignore might be your heart trying to tell you it's struggling? How can you tell if your heart is working properly? I'll cover all of this in today's video. First, write in the chat or comments where in Brazil or the world you're watching from. I'm in Rio de Janeiro, Brazil, land of carnival. It's Monday, 11 a.m., a holiday, but we're still live. So tell me, where in Brazil or the world are you watching from? Say good morning to me. The chat's very quiet. I'm not seeing anyone send messages. Is everyone in the carnival spirit? I'm not sure. Tell me where you're watching from and if you've had any heart issues. The first sign is on the video cover, an ear with a small groove. We call this Frank's sign. Frank's sign can indicate clogged arteries. However, 30% with Frank's sign have no arterial blockage, but if the person is younger, the younger they are with Frank's sign, the higher the chance of coronary or carotid artery blockage. It's a low sensitivity sign, present in both affected and unaffected people. However, if you have this ear crease and you're not that old, pay close attention. It could be linked to arterial blockage. Got it? The second sign is hair loss on the legs, especially at the lower part. This indicates peripheral artery disease. Why? If there's an arterial blockage stopping oxygen and nutrient-rich blood from reaching an area, that area suffers. This is exactly what happens in peripheral artery disease. Oxygen and nutrient-rich blood can't reach the leg, so hair follicles aren't nourished, causing hair to stop growing. The skin in this area often becomes smoother, shinier, and colder. It can also be linked to slower nail growth. So folks, stay alert to these signs. This issue of leg weight loss and hair loss on the legs can also be due to genetic factors or venous insufficiency, but in any case, if this is happening to you, pay attention. The third sign is xanthelasma. What is xanthelasma? Xanthelasma are yellow plaques that form mainly in the eyelid area. It's not like a wart, but a raised lesion that's more prominent, with a distinct yellow color, and it indicates cholesterol deposits in your skin, occurring primarily in middle-aged women. The fourth sign, also shown in this video, is the arcus or arcus senilis. It's when older people develop blue or gray eyes. So many say, wow, my grandma got beautiful eyes as she aged, which is common and even normal in elderly people. But this arcus, a bluish or grayish ring around the iris, shows corneal cholesterol deposits. It doesn't affect vision or need treatment, but in youth may signal serious lipid issues. The fifth sign is cyanosis. Cyanosis is when your skin takes on a bluish tint. Bluish or purplish, which also indicates problems with arterial blood flow, of red, oxygenated blood, and can be a sign of a clogged artery, emphysema, embolism, or even heart failure. The sixth sign is ulcers, hard-to-heal wounds, usually due to arterial or venous insufficiency. The seventh sign, also on our video thumbnail, is edema, leg swelling, mainly indicating heart failure, but possibly kidney issues too. So, we've covered the 7 signs. Now let's move on to the 7 symptoms. But first, folks, please like this video because when you like it, it gets distributed more widely. So, your like can help someone discover if they have a heart health issue, prompting them to seek help when they realize what's actually happening to them. So your like could potentially save a life today. If you want to save a heart like this video, it'll be great for viewers. Next, we'll cover the second part of that video. The 7 symptoms of a weak heart, a sick heart, a heart that's failing. And the first of these symptoms is shortness of breath during exertion. It's an unusual level of fatigue. It's when someone can no longer shower on their own because they get too tired, when they lack the strength to comb their hair, when they can't do activities that used to be simple for them. So that's the first symptom. Second symptom, persistent cough, possibly indicating fluid in the lungs or pulmonary edema. Third symptom, shortness of breath when lying down. Fourth symptom is overall weakness, causing difficulty with routine daily activities. The fifth symptom, which is a sign, is nocturia, waking up often to urinate. The sixth symptom, also a potential sign, is intermittent claudication, indicating peripheral artery disease. What is intermittent claudication like? A person walks a short distance, then feels pain, mainly in the calf. They stop, the pain eases. They walk further, and the pain returns. And the seventh symptom, the most crucial one, which strongly indicates heart problems, is chest pain, which we can classify as either stable or unstable angina. So folks, if you're experiencing any of these issues, it's likely due to your lifestyle choices. Why? What conditions increase the risk of cardiovascular problems, diabetes, high cholesterol, high blood pressure, obesity, all linked to your lifestyle. So you need to manage your cholesterol well, control your blood sugar levels well, manage your blood pressure, and get regular checkups with a trusted healthcare professional so they can guide you when needed. So folks, that's the key point, a healthy lifestyle. Doctor, I'm not sure how to maintain a healthy lifestyle. I don't know what to eat, which exercises to do, how to reduce anxiety, drink less or smoke less. Don't worry, I'll teach you all this simply and quickly without doctors, meds, or tests. Just read my book, The Longevity Code, and your life will improve if you follow the advice. So if you want to protect your heart, if you want to lower your risk of a heart attack, of having a stroke, or even getting cancer, click now on the first link in the description or the pinned comment to get your longevity code, a book I wrote that I'm sure will transform your life for the better. If you don't like the book, which is only $25.90 for the digital version, no worries, I'll refund you, no questions asked, no hassle, no red tape. Just tell us you read it and didn't like it, and we'll refund you right away, okay? So click that first link in the description or the pinned comment now and start your journey to a life with more quality, health, energy, and vitality. Sound good?